Rob Tell on the track. Hop in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Tell if I vote for anybody that gotta know. Alex stay with fresh content and he keep it coming like a slideshow. Never cut corners far as I know, but he cut metal with his eyes closed. Control arms, reinforced frame, still killing the game. You see the gun smoke from impalas with the X-frame, doing tricks like it came from the X game. Everybody gotta tune in for.
What's up and good morning, guys? How are you? Alex here from Hoppos with another video for you guys. So today, this early, oh god, that's bright. This early morning, we're getting started. Man, I am tired today. Today I'm just like dragging, but stopped, got me some breakfast. We're here early. We got a lot of stuff to get going again. Today I'm probably just running through some stuff on welding and what we're working on right now. And so far, as you can hear, it sounds like Vic has already got a head start on me. We got a whole bunch of stuff we gotta get going. I don't know where all my parts went. Oh, here they are. So we got all the pieces cut out for the 65 to 66 wishbone. As you can see, there is a lot of pieces, and all this will combine to being one complete unit wishbone. It does take up almost a full sheet on a 4x4, and there's a lot of welding involved in this. So I'll show you guys, take you guys along, and show you guys how we do it. So with all that stuff back there, pretty much all that's left is I just need some motivation, like Vic just told me. He says I need the jig and I need motivation, which he's 100% right, because I am beat today. I'm absolutely just drained already, and I just got here, or we just got here, I should say. So time to toss on the helmet. I need to find my gloves. Yeah, I don't know where they're at. Let me go find them. Alright, we just got everything all tacked together right here, so you guys can see the first one just out of the jig real quick. So this is the first piece of the 65 to 66. Now, this only fits 65 to 66 Impalas. Please don't ask if it fits a 67. No, it does not. It does not fit a Regal. It does not fit, I don't know, a Century or Grand Marquis or whatever. Only 65 to 66 Impala only. It's designed specifically for those two vehicles. So with that being said, let me get started on this, and yeah, I'll take you along with the process.
Where you murdering the beat.
Well, it's done. I know obviously in the time lapse, it looks fast. It is not fast. It literally takes a few hours to do all this, not including the cut time, the clean time, and the final weld. On top of it being fully welded, now I gotta go pull all the bushings for it, the center sleeves for it, and also do all the hardware and stuff like that. So yeah, it takes a long time, but it's done. This is one done. Got a few more orders for it, so I'm gonna get this one onto a cart. Let's go get that over there. This sucker's big. This thing's beautiful. Not that though. The day's pretty much coming to an end here. We're getting somewhat caught up. We were getting caught up until Vic broke all the computers. Actually, Art broke the computers. He was cooking some bacon and making some coffee at the same time, and it surged our power, and we lost all of our computers. And so they're working to get them back up. We fried the hard drives. So it's been a nightmare. We've gone primitive, and we're literally doing shipping labels right now with pieces of tape. And because we used to just toss the stickies on there, they print out, and it was cool, it was easy.
And using our phones to get pricing.
And Vic's having to use phones to get pricing, and it's just been a nightmare trying to get everything going, because right now they're actually remotely hooking the computers up because we have everything running in a network. So it's just been an absolute nightmare trying to get all that going. Art's been on the phone going back and forth with these guys all day. It's been a 2-day process. This actually happened yesterday, and we've just been trying to get caught up today. And we thought we were going to get caught up today. We thought we were going to be up and running and to get the network going again. But they just delivered the computers today, so everything's getting hooked back up finally. We actually lost all of our TVs up here because those are actually run off of a computer as well. And it's been a nightmare. So we're trying to get caught up. Right when we think we're gonna get caught up, boom, something happens. But I guess that's life, right? So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Dang, going old school with the calculator and handwritten receipts. Freaking OG right there. Do you know how to use one of these?
Yes, sir. That's why they're smartphones.
Do you know if you type in 8008, it looks like boobs? It's actually 8005.
So you don't even know.
Look at 80085. Boobs. That's the stuff we used to do like in elementary school. Remember that?
Pervert.
Also been setting this up right now for a customer. Pretty much he bought the squares from us a few days ago. He got them, but we're setting up everything as far as how he wants it laid out with the big block, big checks. He did supply us the slowdowns here, and we also built him a custom whammy with a big nut on it. So that is something that's in the works. Plus laid out a whole bunch of fittings because he'd be hardlining when he gets back to his shop. And the hardline plugs. A lot of you guys have asked for these. These are actually off the dumps. If you see one right here, these go off the dumps, and you can actually hardline your wire out. It's a lot nicer than using those like the amphenol connector, because even with the amphenol connector you have an end on it, and with the end on it, you still have a wire visible. So this way it's fully hardline and it's all good. And just when we thought it couldn't get any busier and more stuff here, got a big delivery. Art just keeps buying stuff, so I don't know, this just came in right now. I guess he's prepping. I mean, we have, if you guys have been in the showroom, we have probably 6 or 7 show cabinets, or display cabinets I should say. 2 more just got delivered right now. I guess he's prepping for the new building. I guess it's supposed to be a really big showroom as far as right now. I know we haven't really got into detail on the new building and stuff like that, but it's in the works. Not too much time left here in this building, in this facility. We definitely outgrew this, as you guys can tell behind us. There's stuff literally just stacked on stacked. You gotta, like, if you want to use the plasma, you gotta move out like 2 welders to move the CNC tube cutter to get to the plasma. Like, it's just ridiculous right now. We're wasting so much time because we're cramming everything into this building. But we're definitely, he's been looking for a long time, and things are finally getting to the point where we have to start getting ready for it. And it's still gonna be a while, guys, don't worry about it. It's still gonna be a while, but we are prepping. It's been something that we had a plan 5 years ago where we wanted to be at with the business, and obviously, you know, we've pretty much achieved everything we wanted to be at. Things got a little rocky this year because of COVID and everything, and we got a lot busier than we expected, which obviously we're not complaining about, but we're just getting everything set up and lined up. That way, when it comes down to time to move, because we got a crap load of stuff and tons of CNCs we got to move in the other side over there. And you guys, I know a lot of people that watch the videos don't really understand the layout of the building, but this building is 2 stories. So we actually, all this up there is all storage, and there's stuff up there, inventory up there. And on the other side, in the main showroom side, we have it divided in 2 sections where customers were normally able to walk in. Then on the other side was full machine shop. So we have to actually take out the full showroom glass, which is a freaking nightmare. And again, if you guys haven't been to the shop, I mean, I'll walk you over there real quick, take you over there, but you have to literally take out all the panes of glass and not mess up the vinyl wrap, because the windows are all wrapped up and stuff. Not mess those up, and then we got to take out all the framing. So we squeeze it through this little door up front, I'll show you right quick. So this is the front, but we have to remove all this glass right here. All this gets removed, and we're pretty good at it now because we've done it so many times. But every time we add a machine, we have to take all the glass out and move it in there and then take it back out. So when we move, all this is gonna have to get removed. Now we have to build a ramp right here, and when they build the ramp right here, they actually take the forklift in and move the machines, and it gets loaded on an 18-wheeler. Definitely not looking forward to that, but we'll see what happens with everything. Again, that's not anytime soon, which it is kind of soon, but it's not really. It's still a whiles away, so we're not moving right now. It's gonna be a minute, but I'll keep you updated, obviously. Well guys, we left the shop, and word has it, Art got some more stuff. So I'm driving up the street. We got about 7-8 miles we gotta go. Vic's following behind me, and Art's already on his way. We pretty much, it's already 5:30, so our day was done. So geez, don't mind the shakiness. My mount's really crappy here. But we're on our way to go pick up some stuff right now. Another few cabinets and show display cases. So yeah, Art just keeps getting stuff. I guess what he's not telling us is I guess he plans for the new showroom to be big. That's what we're getting out of it, at least, because all these extra cabinets that he's buying. So we'll see. So we're on our way right now, and it's gonna be a minute. So I'll get you guys back up as soon as we get there. See Vic back there. Well guys, we made it. We made it. Oh, here he goes again. All right, guys. We are officially home. We made it. We got the cabinet. The cabinet's all in one piece here. As you can see, it's a pretty big freaking cabinet. My bed's 8 foot, and well, that guy's sticking out there. So it's all done. Now I just gotta take it home. Or to the shop, I should say. I call it home. So it's a big, big sucker. Show you guys. And this is gonna be pretty much one of the new main counters. Couldn't pass up the deal. And with that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video here, get these lights off on the truck, get everything locked up. There we go. And you guys have a great one. Make sure you guys share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know, the better that does for me, the better it does for you guys, because you guys get more videos and more content. So time to get inside, wash up these hands, eat some dinner, and call it a night. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for liking and sharing. Out.
Rob Tell on the track. Hop in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension? Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Teller 504. For anybody that gotta know, Alex stay with fresh content and he keep it coming like a slideshow. Never cut corners far as I know, but he cut metal with his eyes closed. Control arms, reinforced frames, still killing the game. You see the gun smoke from Impalas with the X-frame, doing tricks like it came from the X game. Everybody gotta tune in for